G'day guys and welcome to Quick Maths. Today we're going to be talking about what is a factor and how do we find them. So factors are two whole numbers that multiply to give us an answer or a number that we're looking for. So it's kind of like we've got the solution to a times tables problem, but we don't have the question yet. Okay, so you can kind of think about it as the reverse of multiplication. Okay, so if you're asked to find the factors of 12, right, we've got a situation where the answer is 12 and all you've got to do is come up with two numbers that multiply to give that number. So straight away we always know that 1 and the number, okay, are a factor pair, and that's true for every single whole number. But you might be thinking, hey, Jono, there's pretty obviously a couple of other ones, and these are also factor pairs as well. So in your answer, there is a really high chance that you're going to have a lot of numbers that give the correct answer. So also for 12, you might have seen that 3 times 4 is equal to 12, and that 12 is also equal to 2 times 6. So these are all the factor pairs, okay, that multiply into 12. At school as well, you might see questions where they ask you to list the factors, okay? This word list is really common for these types of questions, and all that means is that we are looking for an ascending list. So write down all the factors from smallest to largest. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, not 5, 6, and 12. A really helpful little shortcut to make sure you're not wasting time is that there can't be a number greater than halfway, okay, that is a factor. So I knew straight away that I didn't have to check 7 to 11 because any number bigger than 6 multiplied by 2 is going to put us over that 12 number, so it can't be 1. What I would definitely recommend if you're finding this a little bit difficult is just cheat with your calculator, okay? And what I mean by that is you put in the number that you're trying to find and you divide it by any potential factor. If you get a whole number answer in your calculator, it means that the number you divided with and the answer are a factor pair. If you get any decimals, don't worry about it, cross it out, it's not a factor. Right, so for example, if we were looking to find the factors of 18, okay, we know straight away that 18 is equal to 1 times 18. That one's a gimme, so straight away we've got that one. But I can't remember if 2 is a factor, or I know 2 is a factor, but I can't remember what its pair is. So if I chuck onto my calculator 18 divided by 2, you can see that the answer is 9. So 2 times 9 has to be a factor pair. We'll check the next one, 18 and 3. Okay, does 3 go into 18? It does, but in our calculator we can go 18 divided by 3 there, and that gives us the whole answer of 6. So these must be a factor pair. We'll check one more, 18, 4 times something, 18 divided by 4. You can see there that we've got a decimal 4.5, so that means that 4 is not a factor pair. Okay, and this is a really helpful way if you're struggling to make sure that you get all the factors, right? This question did ask us to list the factors, so our answer is going to be 1, 2, 3, not 4, not 5, 6, 9, and 18. I hope this helped, and I'll see you next time. I hope you guys found that helpful. Just a reminder that there are some free worksheets attached in the description below relating to this very topic. I also put up a PDF of the notes so you don't have to copy them from the video. If you do need any additional help, please don't be scared to send me an email. And don't forget, subscribe to the channel for some more quick math.